Hello everyone, welcome to K-Tech. My name's Kevin, and in today's video I'd like to show you how to make a intro title card with sound for your videos for free in Windows 10, 11, and Windows 11 22 H2 using the free Windows video editor. So let's get started. Let's go down to the Start menu. Let's go to All Apps. You want to scroll down to Photos. If you're in Windows 10 and 11, you're looking for the Photos app. Okay. Now, after you've upgraded from Windows 10 and 11 to Windows 11 22 H2, the video editor that we're going to use is no longer in the Photos app. You'll just go to the Microsoft Store and type in Photos Legacy, and it'll take you a few seconds to download that. And then we'll have the original Photos that's in Windows 10 and 11 that contains this free video editor. And if you need to pause the video and go do that, go ahead and do that right now, and then come back and we'll get started. Well, as you can see, I do need to use the Photos Legacy app because I'm in Windows 11 22 H2. Those of you in Windows 10 and 11, just use the Photos app. It has the video editor. It'll be the exact same as this right here. So let's get started. Okay, now this is exactly the way it looks in 10 and 11 without being Photos Legacy. But either way, we're going to the video editor. I'm going to create a new video project. Okay, we need to give it a name. We'll name this new video 4. Name yours whatever you would like. Press OK. Then we're going to add title card. Okay, let's bring this up purple. I'm going to change mine to black. All we have to do is just, so I was waiting for that to finish, but we can just go ahead and hit background if you want to change the color of your background. Okay, and I'm going to go change it to black. And then I want to add some text. Race title. Okay, mine's going to say, welcome to Kevin's channel. And I want those separated. Let's back that up. Let's go down. Where's my L down here, guys? Okay, welcome to Kevin's channel. Okay, now you can go through and pick any of these that you want to. There's a lot to choose from. I know I'm going to pick electric because it moves in and out. There's a lot to choose from. Just where you want to see. I want electric. I know this is going to open and close already. You just work around with them and see which one you'd like to use if you want to use these. And next, I want to change the layout. There's different ways you can have it laid out. This is the one I want to choose right here. Okay, as far as this goes, I'm done. I'm going to click done. This is what I want right here. Now I want to change mine. I don't want this whole thing on the screen. I want it to, because I know this is going to open and come in and come out. So I want to change the size of mine to a 9.16 portrait instead of full screen. Okay, just like that. Now let's preview that. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Welcome to Kevin's channel. Okay, now to add my sound, I'm just going to simply use my voice, and I'm going to go create it using the free Windows Sound Recorder. So I'll go to the Start menu, go to All Apps, go down to the Sound Recorder, in the S's. Okay, right here, Sound Recorder. Okay, I've already got one sound made. Okay, I'm going to start my sound now. Welcome to Kevin's channel. Just like so. Close that out. Go back to my video here. Okay, I'm going to go up to Custom Audio. Add an audio file. It keeps pulling this up automatically, but it's putting it in the documents. That's where I'm finding these recordings. Okay, I'm going to go with this one here. Okay, we got it in here now. Okay, I'm going to click done. Wait, I want to stretch it all the way out. Okay, that must be all of it. Okay, it's stretched all the way out now, so let's see if that worked.
Welcome to Kevin's channel.
Alright. Now let me go back and show you though. Sometimes it won't have this already stretched out. It'll just be in a little piece. Like, let me do this right here. Like it'll have it like this, sitting at the end. It'll be sitting here like this. And watch, it won't do anything. So what you have to do is just stretch that out. Can't pull it this way, so just bring it all the way down. Then pull this side all the way out. As far as it goes, I guess. Press done. Now you'll have your sound.
Welcome to Kevin's channel.
Okay, just like so. So to finish that, you push finish video when you're done. Hit export. Pick whichever file or folder you want it to go in. I'm just going to let mine go right into pictures. Press export. Okay, it's going to show you a preview. Which, right here, see the sound was turned on. I don't know why it does that. But you turn on the sound, do that again.
Welcome to Kevin's channel.
Okay, and that's all I want right there. So I'm happy with that. I'm done. It's finished. And I'm going to close out there. That's a new video for us, so I'm going to go. I had that go into pictures. Here it is.
Welcome to Kevin's channel.
Let's do it again. It's slow.
Welcome to Kevin's channel.
Okay, but that's what I'm looking for. Now I'm going to put that in front of my videos when I upload them to a video editor. And then that's how I have my intro, title card with sound. And I hope this helps somebody out, or a bunch of people hopefully, who's trying to learn how to make videos. I appreciate y'all watching. Please subscribe, comment, or like and comment on other videos you want me to make, and I'll make those for you guys. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video.